Shri Mohammad Jawad ji.
The National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research Amendment Bill 2021. Sir, 1998 में there was one institute in Mohali which was started and which is functioning properly. And seeing the need for such institute in 2007, and it was amended to enable central governments to establish similar institutions in the country, and 6 others were sanctioned, जिसमें से एक हाजीपुर भी है. मैं मिक्स इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ ताकि इसमें हाजीपुर का एक इंस्टीट्यूट है जिसकी हालत बहुत ही दयनीय है. और सिर्फ यही नहीं, इसके अलावा 2015 में 5 और इंस्टीट्यूट खोलने की बात सरकार ने की, लेकिन इत्तेफाक से सभी इंस्टीट्यूट्स की हालत बहुत ही ख़राब है. जबकि ये पार्लियामेंट ने इसको इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ नेशनल इम्पोर्टेंस घोषित किया है. तो जैसा कि पहले भी हमारे कोलीग्स ने कहा कि देयर इज़ अ लैक ऑफ कैंपस बिल्डिंग्स, lack of staff, lack of laboratories. I would request the Honorable Minister to look into that and try and rectify the shortfalls. This bill unfortunately confers power to the government officials and bureaucrats with respect to managerial, administrative and financial decisions of the institutes that can hamper the autonomy of research and educational institutions. The decision-making power of the established institutions should decentralize to best suit the needs of the particular institution and prevent interference from the central government. तो ये मेरा सुझाव है आदरणीय मंत्री जी से, और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि इस पे वो गौर करेंगे. Sir, there was this finding by the there was this report in 2020 by CAG, and the audit mentioned that out of the 6 colleges, institutes, which came into being in 2007 and 8, most of them, they don't have buildings. जैसा कि ये apart from Mohali, एक बरेली में है, और आपको जान के ताजुब होगा कि बरेली नहीं, उसका इंस्टीट्यूट लखनऊ में चलता है. हाजीपुर में जो है वहाँ पे पहले ही जो गवर्नमेंट ने ज़मीन दी थी, वहाँ पे एक बिल्डिंग है जो अप्रोप्रिएट नहीं है इंस्टीट्यूट के लिए, उसमें पढ़ाई चल रही है, लेबोरेटरी नहीं है. इसलिए हमारे कोलीग ने मेंशन भी किया कि जो पेटेंट्स होती हैं या रिसर्च पेपर्स होती हैं वहाँ से मिनिमल आती है. और सबसे अफसोस की बात यह है सर कि there are about 880 universities, government and private in India, and that university का ranking है 662nd. So you can well imagine the status of these national institutes. और सबसे अफसोस की बात ये भी है कि this pharmaceutical market in India is so huge. The market in 2021 of pharmaceutical market is $42 billion, and this is likely to go up to $65 billion by 2024, or this will again go up to 120 to 130 billion in 2030. तो ये सब का आंकड़ा जब हम देखते हैं और फिर हम देखते हैं कि इसमें इतना मिनिमल पैसा एलोकेट किया जा रहा है, दिस इज़ वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट. उसके अलावा और भी है कि जब 2019 में स्टैंडिंग कमेटी ने ये महसूस किया है कि दिस फंड इज़ वेरी लो, and they proposed a sum of 450 crores from the ministry, only 200 odd crores were allocated. तो मेरी गुजारिश होगी कि इस पे, सर गिव मी 1 more minute, 2 minutes actually. So there are a few suggestions that I would put forward. One is, since we need more such institutes, I would request the Honorable Minister to consider Kishanganj for a new institute. And apart from that, I would request that Hajipur Institute, apart from other institutes in India, should be given more funds, and the fund should be in the tune of at least 500 crores to begin with. The sum allocated in the last financial year was almost a meager amount of about 30 crores per institute, which is very insignificant considering the important function they are expected to deliver. Apart from that, the present bill unfortunately has deleted a provision in the Parent Act which provide 3 eminent public persons on social work, including person from the SC/ST community. I would request the Honorable Minister to include at least one person from the SC/ST community, as well as at least one woman in the committee. And apart from that, there was a provision of 3 MPs nominated for the council. I would request the Honorable Minister to consider a medical practitioner amongst the MPs so that they can contribute by their experience and knowledge about pharmacy and medicine. And lastly, sir, I would request that more institutes, more discipline and courses should be introduced so that we can meet the need of the world pharmaceutical market, and we can earn a lot of revenues out of it and provide jobs for our youth. And lastly, I repeat again, I would like to, through you, request the Honorable Minister to consider Kishanganj, which is one of the most deprived areas of India, sir. अभी नीति आयोग का एक स्टडी आया था जिसमें बिहार में almost 52% were poor people, and in Kishanganj that district is the lowest in Bihar. इसलिए मेरी गुजारिश होगी कि बिहार को अपलिफ्ट करने की ज़रूरत है, और किशनगंज को बगैर अपलिफ्ट किए बिहार नहीं बढ़ सकता और हिंदुस्तान भी पीछे रहेगा, इसलिए उस पर ज़रूर गौर करेंगे. And thank you for letting me speak, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.